Hello, my name is Nahid. Today I will show you how you can track your website contact us from. In this way you can track any contact us from. Okay, let's begin. Just right click here. After that you can see the inspect. Click here. Inside this element click this track button. After clicking this, click this box. We don't need this name. Okay, we just need this box. Now I have to find this box ID or class. Okay, name, I don't need this name or text. I just need this box. Yeah, I just need this box. I just have to looking for this box class. Okay, here is the class. You can see here. Just copy this one and click here. Okay, after clicking here you just go and find this one from my video description. Just copy here, copy this code. After copy this code, just come this console page. You just have to paste this one. Okay, and you just have to replace this. I just copy this class. Okay, after pasting you just have to add a full stop. Okay, after pasting this class you just have to click enter. Okay, after clicking the enter button you have to write the from data here. From data form from data, just click. It's wrong. From data, this one is correct. D should be a capital letter. Okay, just click enter. You can see this from is running here. You can see the prototype. Okay, you can see this file is here. Okay, if you see this text here, then you have to know this class it is correct. This is we are looking for. Okay, you just have to copy this class with the dot. Remember the dot. And after that you just have to go to the Google Tag Manager. After here Google Tag Manager you just have to click the web container, not the server container. After inside this web container you just go to the tags. Okay, you just have to the new create a new tag from here. Tag configuration, click here. You just have to find the custom HTML tag. Okay, after finding custom HTML tag you just have to go to this file. I just have shared this file link inside my video description. You just copy whole this script. Okay, second script, just paste here. Okay, now you can click here to see full code. Okay, after clicking here you just paste this class. Which class? This class. We just copy this and paste here. Okay, paste here with this dot. Okay, remember this dot is important. Okay, do not forget. If you forget this dot, then it is not working. Okay, after pasting here just click outside. You can see everything is correct. You just have to copy this event. Okay, you just have to copy this event. Here you can see event. I already put this event here for your better understanding. Just click this. Okay, everything is okay. Just click here the all page. Select the all page. After selecting all page you just rename this for your understanding. Custom HTML /form from submit. Submit. Okay, submit. Just save here. Let's try it is working or not. Click here preview. By clicking preview you can check your tag is working or not. You just have to copy this website URL and put inside this here. Okay, mine is already here. Just connect. Okay, after clicking here it will open your website. Okay, here you can see this from. I just fulfill this from here. Hi, this is Nahid. Okay, just send message. Okay, here you can see, minimize this one and connect. Here you can see the form submission, and here you can see the contact form submission we are looking for. Okay, remember this contact form submission. Okay, just click here. After clicking here, you can see the API code. Okay, just click this here and you can see this data. Okay, contact form submission, this one is here, and this is my name. I already put inside this name box, and this is my number. You can see the telephone, and here is the email number, and here is the text area message I have write. Okay, after that, successfully create your custom form submission. Now you have to push this data to your Google Analytics 4 and your Facebook Metapixel. Okay, how you can do this? Just go to the trigger. After clicking here, you can see, okay, after clicking here, you can see the button here, new. Click here, you can see the trigger configuration. Okay, click here. Okay, you can see the custom event. Okay, remember this, we just create a custom event. Click here, and most important thing is here, do not skip this one. You just go to this, click this one, copy this one, or copy this one. Here you can see the event, you can copy from here also and paste in here, and paste in here event name. After pasting, just save this one, and you just have to name this contact form submit. Just name this and save this. Okay, just wait. Okay, after that you just have to click the tags again. Okay, after clicking here, now you just have to create a tag for a GA4 and for Facebook Metapixel. Okay, now we just have to make the GA4. Okay, here you can see Google Analytics. Click here, you can see the GA4 events. Okay, Google Analytics GA4 events. Click here. After that, you just have to put your measurement ID here. Okay, measurement ID, and this one is, for my understanding, I just put here contact us from submit. Okay, after that you just trigger this one from here. We just made this trigger. Okay, you remember this trigger we just made earlier. Okay, after triggering this one, just save and rename this GA4 contact us. Save this one. Okay, after that I have to make for a Facebook. Just click here, click here. Now you have to find here Facebook. Here is the Facebook pixel. If you cannot find this Facebook pixel, you just have to go this one, discover more tags type. Okay, click here. Inside this tag type, you can search from here. After adding this tags, you can see this Facebook pixel ID. You just have to paste your Facebook pixel ID and go to the custom. You just have to name this contact from submit. Okay, after that you just have to go this trigger and click this one we just made earlier and rename this FB contact us. Just save this one. After that we have to preview these two tags are firing or not, these two tags are working or not. Click the preview button again. After clicking, you can see the same page. You just have to click copy your link and paste in there. and click connect. After connecting, you just put your all information here. Hello, this is Nahid. Just click send button. Okay, it's sending. Connect. Here you can see this contact form submit. Okay, just click here and you can see the GA4 tag and Facebook tag we have made earlier. Okay, this GA4 tag is fire as well. Also this Facebook is fire. Now you can see everything here, from also the data. Okay, also from here and also from here. That is the way you can send your data inside this Google Analytics for also the Facebook pixel. Okay, this is the way you can send your data these two platforms. Also you can send the different other platform. That is the way you can track any custom form for service selling custom form or e-commerce custom form. Anything you can track by this way. So that's it. So if anyone need this kind of tracking, you can reach me by sending a message by email. Also you can find me in Fiverr. Okay, so that's it today. Bye bye.